Okay, students, hope you're all doing well. Uh, this is the video for maths for class 7, and again we will be discussing one more sum from square measure. The sum which I am going to discuss is very important one. Actually, it is one of the type of sum from square measures which comes in the exams frequently. So please concentrate on the video. I hope you will understand, and even if you are having any problem, just let me know in the class. So we will be discussing sum number 43. Now let's first read the question. A garden 80 meter by 60 meter has two straight paths, each 4 meter wide, running through the middle of its two sides to the middle of the opposite sides. Find their total area. So in the sum, actually it has been told to find the total area of the two path which is running through the middle of the garden. So actually there is a garden whose dimensions are given 80 and 60. So this is sum number 43. So this is a suppose this is a garden. Okay, the dimensions of the garden are given 80 meter and 60 meter, and it had been said that through the middle of the garden two straight paths are running, and the straight path is 4 meter wide. So from here one straight path is running, and it is how much? 4 meter wide. And from here one straight path is running, which is again how much? 4 meter wide. Okay, now what is the problem over here? This part is coming two times. When we are calculating the area, this part is coming 2 times. Let's first do the sum. Okay, so area of the straight path parallel to the length. So this is the length part, right? This is the length part, and this is parallel to this path, right? This straight path. So this straight path is having length how much? This is 80, so this part is also 80, and this is how much? 4. So this is obviously a rectangle, and we know the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So this part is 80, and this part, the length part, is parallel to this part. So this is the area of the path which is parallel to the length. So if this is 80, this will also be 80, right? Because the length are same, and this much is how much? 4 meter. And note that this straight path is a rectangle. Why? Because it is having a length 80 meter and a breadth of 4 meter. So it will be 80 into 4 meter square, which is 320 meter square. Okay, again area of area of the straight path parallel to the breadth is how much? 60 into 4 meter, which 240 meter square. Okay, so this is the breadth part 60 meter, and this is parallel to this line, right? This is parallel to this line, and if this is 60, obviously this part will also be 60 because these are of same length, right? And how much is this part? This part is 4 meters. So this straight path is also rectangle whose length is 4 meter and breadth is 60 meters. So 60 into 4 is 240 meter square. Now what is the problem when we are calculating the area of this path, that is this path? Okay, this area is coming, this part area is coming, and again when we are calculating the area of this part, this part's area is also coming. So actually we are calculating the area of this part for 2 times, but this should not happen. We should calculate the area for one time only, right? So we should not be calculating the area of a same part for the two times. So we need to deduct the area of this part for one time. Okay, so therefore area of the part where the two paths are intersecting. In this portion actually the two paths are intersecting. That's why this part's area is coming for two times. Area of the part where the paths are intersecting. How much? This part is how much? 4 meter, and this part is how much? 4 meter. This is 4, so this is also 4, and this is 4, this is also 4, right? So this is a square, this part is a square. So what will be the formula? 4 into 4, that is side into side, that is 16 meter square, right? Okay, then to find the area of this path, okay, so we have been asked to find out the area of this path, the total area of this path. So we need to add the area of this part and this part, and then we need to deduct this part. Why? Because when we are calculating the area of this part and this part, this area is coming for, this portion area is coming for twice. So we did not want this portion area for twice. We need to include it for once only. Okay, so for that reason we need to deduct it for one time. So area of the two paths will be how much? 320 plus 240 minus 16, right? So how much is the answer? It will be 560 minus 16, which is 544 meter square. So the total area of the two parts is 544 meter square. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you.